That was one of the best hunts I've been on in a long time. Wasn't it?
Oh, here's a blast.
Dude, I mean, he gobbled in our face. Well, guys, it's finally opening day here in Missouri. It's a little windy this morning, but not too bad. We had that big storm come through last night, so all the creeks are up. I can hear them all rolling, but we come out here last night to this spot and tried to roost one, but I didn't have no luck. I never heard a turkey anywhere, but I know there's some in here. There are every year, and I've heard them back in here before season and stuff, so I think they just didn't gobble good last night after that storm, because a few of my buddies went and they didn't hear anything either. But it's just about 5:30. It's still pretty cloudy this morning, but it's supposed to clear up as the day goes on. And it's a little windy now, but the wind's supposed to die down. I think it's going to turn out to make for a pretty good day. But Ben and Trenton are out hunting together too, out by Bennett's house. So wishing them good luck this morning. Hopefully between the three of us, at least one of us can get one killed this morning. So I'm gonna run back here and get set up on this old logging road where it seems like they've roosted every time for the past 10 years since I was a little kid hunting back here. But I'm going to get back there before it gets daylight, try to get set up early, and if we hear one close, that's good, but if not, we'll hopefully be able to hear one a little ways away and make a move on them. So I'm going to get in there. Well, it's about 6:20. I've heard one gobble, and it was a long ways away. I don't know if there's some in here and they're just not gobbling, but it's hard for me to believe there isn't a gobbler in here, but they may have roosted somewhere else last night. But I'm gonna give it maybe just 10 minutes maybe, and if I don't hear nothing, I'm gonna start working my way back to the other end of the property and see if I can hear one back there. It's still a little windy, so I couldn't hear one if it was real far away, but it's been a rough start to the morning, but I got confidence we'll get on one.
Caden has no luck, but we get set up on a new bird.
We're set up here in the timber. It's 12:01. We've got a bird we just struck up as soon as we got to a spot to call. He's probably maybe 100 yards from us right now. And we're in the middle of some pretty thick timber, but it sounds like he's coming in, so we'll keep you updated. See that car. There's gonna end up being two of these suckers walking here full strut. I think it's a Jake. You think it's a Jake? I don't know. back there's a Jake. Come in, you dirty sucker. Oh, dirty sucker. You see him? Yeah. He's coming, Kate. To your left a little. A little more than your barrel showing. A little more left. A little more left. You see that little tiny cedar tree in front of you? He's right in line with it. Not the one you're aimed at, the one to the left of it. No, not the big, the short one on the left of it. He's coming straight towards us. He's coming straight towards us, Gabe. I can't see him on the video yet. Let's go! Well, it's opening day here in Missouri. Me and Trenton just got it done. We've had a freaking rough morning. Birds, it was real cloudy and cold. The birds weren't gobbling good. And weather said it was supposed to clear up and get sunny and warm up a little bit about 10 o'clock. And heck, what time is it, Trenton? Probably 12:30.
It's gotta be close to 1 by now.
Probably
We
1
set up
o'clock.
at like noon.
And
12:30.
we were going to meet Courtney to go eat lunch and just give everything a break. And we stopped here at this farm on the way. We got out, Trenton called, and this bird just hammered in the corner of this field up here. And he wasn't maybe 150 yards from the truck, and we ran down here and got set up in between him. We got set up probably 80 yards from him. We couldn't go very far. And sat down, and we've been working him. I mean, he was gobbling like every time we call, he gobbled. And just strutted about 50 yards. We could hear him spitting and drumming in the woods, and finally he broke off that hen, and we couldn't see him much. We were in some thick woods. I was just sitting back there like 20 yards, and finally I heard Trenton say he seen him, and I had a big tree right in my way, and finally I heard him drum, and I could see part of his tail fan turn, and he walked right in line with that tree up to like 20 yards, and I was about to lose my lane, and he was about to get where I couldn't shoot him. So I just eased around that tree. When I did, he putted, but he was too close by that point. But so sorry if the video isn't that great, but man, this was one of the most exciting hunts I've been on in a long time. I mean, gobbling every breath, right in your face in the timber. I mean, when he was like 80, 90 yards, he sounded like he was like 20.
Oh,
And then when he got to 20, he sounded like he was at our feet. It was so much fun.
that bird is dedicated. This is some thick timber.
I mean, we'll have to show you in here in a second, but this thing come through, I mean, falling down treetops. I mean, he come through some thick stuff. He really wanted to come in here.
There's a field about 90 yards that he come from.
I really think scratching, we did a lot of scratching. We both called real soft, and finally once we started really getting aggressive scratching, it really piqued his interest, and he come right in. But man, what a freaking hunt. It's been a heck of a day and heck of an opening day. This is actually first turkey Trenton's ever seen, like been with him and someone's killed. First turkey he's ever seen anybody else kill, so. It's been a great hunt. We're gonna go enjoy the moment for a little bit and get him taken care of, and be watching for some more videos in the future. We're gonna try to get on some more here soon in Missouri, so we'll see you guys later. Alright guys, it's been about 3 hours since I killed my bird. I Hey, call, 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 call. Call. Did you kill it? Did you kill it? I thought so. Keep going.
I was thinking I should see that straight.
I know. I can't believe that, dude. Dude, they're coming. They're coming.
Hey, climb up there to that tree with that straight.
Trent, can you see him?
Don't move.
He can't see him, so there ain't no point.
Yeah, but you can crawl in the woods with him. Listen, that was a 50-yard shot.
Yeah. He butted. I guess he's seen us. I was sitting there still, but look, it's wide open back there. John's new gun.
Yeah. Look. Okay, let Caden
Here,
bring this. Let
you
Caden bring
you
this
crawl out
decoy.
there.
And I'll hand it to you and I'll crawl to you. Don't be peeking your head too much. Stay behind that tree.
Are they coming?
Alright, they're probably coming up. Turkey call.
Yeah, I know. Get ready.
Come out. Get ready.
That is freaking nuts. I got a part of it. I got a little bit of it on video.
He needs to get down.
They gotta be coming. Where's my freaking phone? 10 feet from him. Dude, why isn't he shooting?
That might be Jade.
Yeah, he got it! He got it! Did he get it? Let's go!
Well, we came and met up with Brady and made a move on some birds. This farm, it's pretty hard to get around on. It's very open. Some of this just got burnt off, so all of our underbrush was completely gone. And we made one call whenever we got on top of this ridge field after we had glassed and seen them. There was a pile of birds. We knew it'd be hard to get around on them, but we made one call up there at the top and then decided to slip around, started crow calling, and we was debating over whether or not we thought they was coming or not. And we got set up here and was debating on trying to get up to this next dip, and they gobbled, and we was like, yeah, they're coming. So we got slipped up right there on the edge of this brush as close as we could, and within 45 seconds, here come one over the hill. Brady was on it, and it started getting a little bit nervous, and it kind of, as soon as it went around a tree, Brady was like, I think I'm gonna have to shoot it. And he's like, as soon as it comes around, I said, kill it. And he shot it, and a whole bunch of other birds we seen come flying out of here, and they just flew right down to this little draw behind us. And I army crawled out here over this knoll to see, because we didn't know how far they were. They were still hammering. Brady and Caden's back there calling. They're just gobbling, triple gobbling on us. And I got slipped up to a tree and finally got stood up there where I could see something, and they was sitting there calling, and they was just gobbling, and I could see them, and they're about 90 yards from me, and they started working up to the left, and I thought they was going to work back up into that field, and they made a fast turn and come up through a spot in this fence, and they walked out there about 20 yards, and I was behind the tree, and I got swung around, and whenever they all took off running, I picked out the one in the back, and well, we got a double up.
Worked the way it's supposed to.
Just like our dad's always told us turkey hunting was supposed to be like.
Best gobbling I've heard in my life.
Oh, yeah,
I've never heard
best
anything
turkey
like
I've
that.
ever
As
been
far
on.
as just,
That was a good gobbler.
we'd
3
call
birds
and
died
they'd
today.
gobble 5 or 6 times.
It was pretty rough this morning.
This morning was rough. I mean,
After that sun come out about 11 o'clock, it got better.
yeah, Caden had his bird killed at 12:30.
It was like 12:30, yeah.
We started on it at about 12 o'clock, and by 12:30 we had it. Dad called it through some thick timber, and then we come out here to the most open ground there is. And
Two
Just
totally
gobbled up.
different hunts, but
yeah,
both was great
both were
gobbling.
Great.
I spotted these birds and I thought they seen me. I called Trent and Caden. I knew they was pretty close. They finally got here and they was strutting, and there's a field behind us. They strutting back here in this field in the shade. We had to probably go, what, half a mile?
We made a big
I
loop.
bet we made 3/4 of a mile.
We got up over here and I called once and they was coming by then.
That was
Great
that
hunt.
was
There'll
awesome.
probably never
I
be
still
another
don't know how
hunt.
many turkeys there, how many gobblers there were.
Whenever I was
think-
shot, I'm pretty sure there was
3 or 4
minimum 5 birds flew off.
Yeah, and I think I seen at least 2 or 3 gobblers fly off.
There's
Because when I first got here by myself, I looked through binoculars and I know I seen for sure 6 strutters. I knew one was a jay.
That's awesome. This is the most fun day I've had turkey in a long time.
Brady's bird. He killed Big Bird. It's probably a 4 or 5 year old bird.
We waited a long time for it. I was hoping it'd come in more because there's another bird behind it. We couldn't see it yet. But it got nervous and I had to shoot. We stepped it off. It was 55 steps.
That's a long shot. Oh, let's enjoy this for a minute and go back to the truck. It's
Yeah.
getting hot.
We got a long walk ahead of us.
Yeah.
Good job.